Hi everyone, thank you for watching the video. So today I'm going to show you how you can use your learning memories generated by Glasp. So Glasp is a web highlighting tools and annotation tools. You can highlight, leave notes when you find interesting ideas, when you are reading web articles, YouTube videos, or PDF files. Then based on the things you collected, like this is a list of my highlights and notes. And based on the highlights and notes, we generate memories and about what you were learning and what you thought was important in the content from your like learning notes and so on. And then based on the memories, you can chat with your own highlights and notes and memories. So let's say in my case, you can ask, oh, what's the best learning technique? And tell me 5 important aspects so that my AI clone can answer to the question based on the highlights and notes and also generated memories. And then, okay, yeah, there's so many approaches. Then you can see relevant highlights and notes where the idea came from, like this. And also you can see memories, what you learned or what you were inspired by, the ideas was like that. And you can keep chatting with your memories. And the interesting part of AI clone is that you can chat with not only your AI clone, but also with others' AI clone. You can, let's say, oh, I want to chat with K's learning memory and highlighted node so that you can chat with him, his AI clone. So I can ask the same question that I asked to my AI clone. And then I think K's AI clone will answer differently, something like this. And you can see where the ideas came from, the source of information like this. And also see his learning memory. And the best part of having learning memories on Grasp is that it's exportable, meaning, oh, let me move myself. So you can download your learning memories. By going to settings, in your settings page, you see download your learning memories. So clicking, you can download as like a Markdown format, JSON, .txt, .csv, and in any format you like. Let's say download as .md, or you can download as .json. Then let's say if you go to ChatGPT or Anthropic Cloud or Google AI Studio, you can just upload your grasp memories, learning memories. Then you can actually start chatting with your own memories. And since one of my favorite features of ChatGPT is its memory feature, so I think you can see it. Sorry, you can see it from here, settings, and you see personalization. And ChatGPT itself can generate memories from your chat history. But we do the similar things from your highlighted notes. So then, let's say if you ask, please tell me who I am, and let's say what I should learn next. Then ChatGPT reads the document, my memory, then answer to the question using my memories, using your memories. Blah, blah, blah. And this is who I am. This is what you should learn next. Agentic AI design, and cognitive and learning science. Actually, this answer reflects my interests so that you can export your memories to external like platforms like OpenAI and Anthropic Cloud. Let's try with Anthropic Cloud too. Oh, and sometimes let's say Since OpenAI has a longer context limit, Anthropic Cloud sometimes cannot handle hold memory because I have a lot of memories now. And yeah, you can do the same thing with uh, Google AI Studio. And let's ask the same question. Okay, still uploading. The good thing is Google AI Studio can handle up to 1 million tokens, and my memory has about 160,000 tokens. But it means, I have 1,000 of documents I have highlighted in the past and generated the memories uh, 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 based on that. But the AI Studio can still, handle hold the memory. So that's a good thing. And you can expand what Google AI Studio is thinking about. So I think they are thinking about, oh, what should they do with the memory? Okay, let's wait for a second. Oh, okay, yeah. So Claude, I got an answer for Claude. Entrepreneur, development, and what you should learn next. Oh yeah, interesting. AI augmented knowledge work. Yeah, these are really interesting concept, I wanna learn next. And okay, let's say, oh yeah, open, sorry, the okay, let me close it. And yeah, uh, Google AI Studio. I use Gemini 2.0 Pro experimental, but it answers to my question. Yeah, these are really interesting answer, and I want to dig into next. So, as you see, you can generate memories using Glasp, and you can chat with your own memories and highlights and notes on Glasp. At the same time, you can export the memories and highlights and notes too. But you can export data you generated, you collected, then use it with external large language models and AI like this. So that I think if you're doing some research or thinking about what to learn next, or you want to reflect what you have learned, figured out in the past, and kind of if you want to connect the dots, and I think you can do this way, like download the memories and upload them to these platforms, and you can leverage your memories better. Um, yeah, hope you enjoy this video and yeah, help your learning process. And if you have still, this is kind of experimental phase for us. So, but if you find it useful or if you have any feedback, questions, please let me know, let us know. And we are constantly improving this feature. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.